How to receive NFTs in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kid here, and on today's video I will guide you how you can receive NFTs in Trust Wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Trust Wallet application in your mobile device. After that, from your home page there is an option to switch to NFTs. Next to crypto, tap on NFTs. Once you're here, scroll down a bit. There is an option as Receive NFTs, tap on it. Now from here you will get to select the token. Here, select your preferred token that you want to receive. Now you have your address and QR code displayed here. All you have to do is share this QR code to the person that you are receiving the NFTs from. You could also share the address. Once you share this, you will be able to receive NFTs in your Trust Wallet. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.